Hey everyone, my name is Ryan Mentz, and I'm out here today among the spruce trees. I'm actually right next to a development, so it's not as secluded as it kind of feels in this frame, but I'm out here looking for golden crown kinglets and dark-eyed juncos. They seem to really like this type of habitat. Right over here, there's actually a field that I've seen them go to the field, come to the trees, go to the field. So I'm hoping to catch them kind of at the edge of these perches here, where kind of trees meet the field, and you get some great separation from the bird in the background there. So anyways, let's get started. Let's have some fun. So this is kind of what I'm talking about here. If I can get a bird landing about here, that would look great. And another thing I want to look out for is that they're eye level with me. So like today is overcast, so if they land up too high, I'm going to end up with a background that's just pure white, and I'm not looking for that either. So kind of being a little bit more specific in what I want. I want a bird about eye level, and I want the background to be a nice blur with some color in it. I don't think they like me talking too much. There's another shot that'll be cool, since I'm working with the 600 millimeters, is if I get a bird pretty close up, there's going to be such shallow depth of field anyways that you can kind of catch them in their environment. So you can catch them like tucked into a spruce tree, and then the lighting with the background will be dark, and they'll be in the foreground, and I think that'll be for a really nice shot as well. There's a golden crown kinglet right here. Pre-focus in the right area, set my focus limiter. There he is. Hello, buddy. Hello. Definitely have to use manual focus when he's thick in the tree like this. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. I want to cut this one a little bit short. I'm filming with the new Sony RX100 VII. It's just a loaner unit that came with one battery, and the battery goes pretty quick when you're doing 4K. So hopefully you enjoyed the images. Props to anyone that films himself. I'm kind of still experimenting with this. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully keep improving in the future and keep watching. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.